Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about general knowledge. General knowledge forms an important section in most entrance examinations. It's observed that many a time the general knowledge question and answers are ignored by the candidates. Also, general knowledge can cover a variety of topics like the Indian and the world geography and history, everyday science, international organizations, awards, Indian economy and politics, the Constitution of India, current affairs, etc. So it is very important to know about our general knowledge and also to keep ourselves updated. Today we are going to talk about topic which says what if. Students, in our life we have many ifs and many buts. Today we are going to talk about such ifs. We have many questions in our life. What if this would happen? What if that would happen? What if I will be this? What if I will be that? Same way, today we are going to learn about what if sun would disappear? What if the earth had rings like Saturn? What would happen if there was no moon? It seems exciting to learn about these things, and so let's get started. So let us first talk about the sun. The sun is about 3,33,000 times the mass of the earth and produces the same amount of energy as 100 billion hydrogen bombs every second. Its giant mass makes the sun the dominant force in the solar system that locks all 8 planets into elliptical orbits. So what would happen if the sun disappeared? Well, if that was true, then the first thing that would happen when the sun disappeared is the earth, along with all other planets, would go flying off into the space. It would be complete chaos in our solar system. If sun disappeared, the earth and other objects into the solar system would continue their forward motion in a straight line into space, instead of following their almost circular orbits. Also, it would take approximately 8.5 minutes for sunlight to reach Earth. If suddenly sun would disappear, it would take 8 minutes to us to know the sun has disappeared. After 8.5 minutes, Earth would stop receiving sunlight, which indicates that our survival is no more. Let us talk about our planet Earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that can support life. Earth formed over 4.5 billion years ago. Earth is the densest planet in the solar system and the largest and the most massive of the 4 rocky planets. Earth takes 24 hours to rotate on its axis. Earth takes over 366 days to rotate around the sun. It is the fifth largest planet into the solar system, being the largest of the terrestrial planets. The surface area of the Earth is about 197 million square miles per 510 million square kilometers. So now imagine, what if Earth had rings like Saturn? Well, in that case, if the Earth had rings, cities like New York, far from equator, would have an impressive angled view. The farther away you were from the equator, the more the appearance of the rings would change. The rings would become wider and more visible. Just as the moon currently does, the ring would reflect sunlight back to the earth at night and appear to glow in the night sky. The rings would probably reflect so much sunlight that the planet would never fully plunge into darkness. Plunges to throw into the darkness, but would always remain gentle twilight even in the depth of the night. Now let us talk about the moon. The moon is an astronomical body orbiting the earth as its only natural satellite. It is the fifth largest satellite in the solar system. The distance of moon from the earth is 384,400 km. Its orbital period is 27 days. Just as the Earth, the Moon also maintains a gravitational pull on the Earth. The Moon pulls on the Earth and slows down the Earth's rotation. Since the Moon affects the altitude and the movement of the Earth's water, our ocean's tide would shrink. Shrink means to become smaller. Well, scientists suggest that without the Moon, tides would be one-third of the size of what they are now. High tides would be much smaller than they are now, and the low tides would be even lower than that. Today we have learnt about 3 ifs. First if sun would disappear. Second, what if Earth had rings like Saturn? Third, what would happen if there was no moon? And I'm absolutely sure that you'll be able to answer these 3 ifs to anyone. I hope you have liked the information. Thank you for watching.